Lighting in Unreal Engine 5 Beginner Tutorial. The directional light simulates light that is being emitted from a source that is infinitely far away. This means that all shadows cast by this light will be parallel, making this the ideal choice for simulating sunlight. Basic light settings. Source Angel, Effects Shadow Blur. Source Soft Ange is the size of the light source. You can see it in the reflection. The temperature of the light changes the balance from warm to cold. Indirect lighting intensity highlights the shadow side of the object. Photographers usually use lighting reflectors to highlight dark areas, as in this example. Light intensity and light color. In Unreal, light can be combined with other types of light. For example, I add sky atmosphere. The sky appeared. Now changing the position of the sun in the direction light changes the lighting, simulating sunrise and sunset. Now add exponential heat fog, and now it looks like sky and earth. The next light source is point light. In fact, it is a light bulb that shines in all directions. Here are almost the same settings as in the directional light. The exception is attenuation radius. It sets the radius of attenuation of light. Spotlight. This source has the same settings except inner cone angle and outer cone angle allows you to change the angle and blur the edges of the light. The most interesting light source is Rect Light. Its main difference is that here you can change the size of the light source. In the reflection you can see how it changes. Light settings here are the same as in previous sources, but due to the fact that here the light source itself is not a point, then its shadow is unusual. But as you can see, the shadow is of poor quality. It's easy to fix. Type ray in the search bar and change the cast ray parameter from disable to enable. Now the shadow looks great. Sky light. It's not exactly light, but rather light capture. There are two modes of operation here. The first mode is SLS captured Cuba map. I select HDR map in Cuba map. The entire scene is lit with the HDR map you have chosen. A map can be rotated. Second mode, select SLS captured scene and add sky sphere. As you can see, the lighting did not affect the objects in any way. Now click in the skylight recaptura and the lighting is selected perfectly for the scene. I'll try night lighting, and skylight did a great job. In general, a great lighting tool so as not to manually adjust the lighting. HDR background. It is somewhat similar to the previous tool. It creates a spherical model of the scene environment from the HDR map, and it creates reflection lighting according to the surrounding map. Light directional light is great here. It gives an excellent shadow, thanks to which the objects look very realistic in the selected environment. And at the end, sun and sky. This is a good tool for architects. Here you can set the exact location of the point on the earth and the time of year so that the sun shines just like in real life. Thank you for watching.